Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about how you can grow your plants faster with these 10 simple household items. Before we go, please subscribe to this channel if the videos are helpful for you. So, number 1, Hair works great as a natural fertilizer due to its high levels of magnesium. You can take some strands out of your hairbrush, or even you can use your dog, cat or horse hair for your plants. When used in compost, the hair can offer structural support for roots and help break up thick and clumpy soil. Number 2, White vinegar. Because of white vinegar's high level of acidity, it makes an effective acid plant feed. Mix a tablespoon of vinegar into a gallon of water and use the concoction to feed your roses and hydrangeas once a season. It's important to check the pH of your soil before applying this, however, as you don't want the pH to be too low. Number 3, Banana peels. Full of potassium, banana peels are wonderful for your plants and will help keep them healthy and strong. The fruit skin will supply much needed nutrients as it breaks down. You can kickstart the fertilization with new plants by laying banana peels at the bottom of the hole you created in the potting soil while you add your plant into the pot. Also, cutting up the peels into 1-inch pieces makes them easy to mix with the soil in the pot. If you like to compost, adding banana peels to the mix helps bump up the compost's potassium content. Pureeing the peels with water makes an excellent liquid fertilizer to pour into the pots. Number 4, Eggshells. Add dry eggshells under your mulch. As they decompose, they will provide your plants with calcium. To speed up the process, you can grind them up and let them soak in a small amount of vinegar overnight. This will make the calcium more readily available to your plants. Number 5, Wood ash. Wood ash is an excellent source of lime and potassium for your garden. Not only that, using ashes in the garden also provides many of the trace elements that plants need to thrive. Wood ash is also useful for pest control. The salt in the wood ash will kill bothersome pests like snails, slugs and some kinds of soft-bodied invertebrates. To use wood ash for pest control, simply sprinkle it around the base of plants being attacked by soft-bodied pests. If the ash gets wet, you'll need to refresh the wood ashes as the water will leach away the salt that makes wood ashes an effective pest control. Number 6, Matchsticks. It seems crazy to use matchsticks to enrich the soil, but this old-timey gardening trick works like a charm. Matchsticks contain phosphorus and phosphorus sesquisulfide, nutrients that are essential for growing green peppers. Take 8 to 10 matchsticks and poke them in the soil with their heads down, slightly away from the container's edges. Water your plants as you usually do. Leave the matches for a week into the soil and check whether their heads are dissolved or not. If so, remove the old matches and replace them with new ones. Repeat this process 3 to 4 times until you get rid of midges. So now, please like this video if anyone of you know these tricks before, and comment down how these tricks works for you. If you don't know until now, try these amazing household tricks from now on.